rant.
Oo nga, you're trying to rant, you're pointing at my...
Oh, wait, you're crying.
Like, not crying.
You have teary eyes.
Look at me and in the eye and say hi or
Smile even. A teary eyes, a teary.
Teary eyes. You know
Terry.
Terry? You know Terry? It's like, he has an eye. It's like teary eyes. Nice.
He's trying to rant.
What's wrong?
You insensitive prick.
I'm not prick.
it's a douchebag.
I said prick. You heard frick?
No,
God.
I said prick.
What's a prick?
Prick. It's like pricking you.
No, wait.
Oh my god!
You said, di ba?
God, you
Pricking is like
God,
breaking
it's
you, breaking you.
flies over his head. Frustrating. Why are you so far away?
Come on, let's go to
Why are
7-Eleven.
you like continents away? What's happening?
Doon tayo 7-Eleven?
Why would I be happy there? Would there be chocolate?
Will I see the China?
Ah! That's... God damn it!
Disgusting shit already, my god. See what you do to my freaking head!
Also, her hair is
Yes,
straight
because
now.
because
So men out there, if you want a loving, smart, tall girl who probably has
be caught by the sudden attention and then you go
Yeah.
away and then I will like, oh my god.
I guess the easiest way to to have you fall for it.
Yeah.
You show attention, then you retract suddenly, then you never look back.
well, you have to define retract. What do you mean by retract?
Explain, retract.
Retract.
Parang take back, whatever. Don't look back. My god, that statement itself is self-explanatory. My god.
But you're dealing with an illiterate person here. You forget.
What?
You're a nasty asshole.
Smell.
Yeah.
Smell my finger. Try to smell my finger.
I'm in pain right now.
Oh, she's in pain.
Oh my god.
Do you want me to?
I don't wanna cry.
Oh, do you want me to hurt you physically so it will even out?
My god, why would I want to be here?
No, so it will even out.
Hey, look.
The emotional
Teary eye.
What? Isang eye lang ba? Bakit ito?
Oh, kasi it's like the right.
But you do look very nice.
Yes, you look very nice.
I appreciate the fact that
You look very nice. You get, pwede ka na ibenta sa Avenida. Grabe. Oh, do it again. Naman with your tongue.
I'm trying to up my game here and shit stuff. Yung parang I'm trying to sell myself na
Are
already.
you really trying to sell yourself?
Yes, try selling yourself to me.
But your hair straightened?
Ano, it's for my own personal.
Maybe try shaving your armpit.
What?
Para mawala yung bad luck, di ba? Try shaving. Try shaving your armpit.
Don't you have armpit hair also?
Yeah, so
No, I don't have any hairs.
that's disgusting. I don't like guys without pit hairs.
No.
Even China has pit hairs. And I saw it, I was like, oh.
Oh, shaggy.
I had no idea.
With the shaggy hair.
I'm like,
Oh my god!
and you know how I found about his pit hairs? You're like,
You were looking. Ew! Nasty. Well, what is it with society, not wanting for girls to have armpit hair?
Most of the prostitutes before.
Shouldn't girls at least have the option of not growing their armpit hair?
Tara, let's go China.
Oh my god, you're
And I'm not even drunk, my god.
Oh, speaking of China, there's
I
China.
wanna call you, but obviously I don't know you. So
Where?
UJ, basically out of this conversation we have concluded that you're an asshole and an illiterate asshole at that.
You said it's there, where?
also concluded that you are pathetic, Hannah. You need a life.
And I need a better pee-pee.
And also more chocolate.
Sorry, smells.
And also, I conclude that caramel is great and will
And you
fill
have-
out
you
any
have-
holes
you-
in your heart. So,
you have
shut up.